Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry I haven't posted it in for so long. It's been like so long. But I'm sorry, but basically, I went to Pop Mart. And I'm sorry, it's by the ballroom. And I'm so happy I went there because I found a labubu. Like, everyone's going crazy about them, so I thought, why not get it? And it's going to be my first one. And the only labubu they had there was the Coke Monster series, and I'm going to be opening it today, and I'm so excited. I'm excited. You can guys look first. So this is the front of it, and then the ones you can get are Happy Factor with a can of Coke, Surprise Shake with a Coca-Cola bottle, then the Secret, which is in a big fat one of these, like a big fat Coke. And there's a brown little labubu. I actually don't care which one I get because they're all so cute. And just make the rest of it. Come on. Okay, but first let's take off this tape. This Pop Mart tape. Oh God, excited. Okay. Sorry if I'm quiet. It's because it's going to take me a long time to get off this tape. You know how long it takes for me to get off tape. Well, we got some of it off. I'm so happy. Guys, I recommend going to Pop Mart. Like, anywhere, as long as you have a Pop Mart in your city or village, I'm happy for you to go there and get a labubu. If you don't know what labubus are, recommend searching them up. Like, if you don't like Lana, I'm sorry, but I like her. Go on Lana's Life, and like, she has a bunch of labubu openings there. And I'll recommend it. Her labubu opening is good. She opens like, so I don't like Sonny Angels, so I don't know how you say it, Sonny, I have no idea. I'll call them Sonny Angels. Guys, I need help on how to pronounce it. Okay. This is only going to be a short video, but a good video. Shall we do some ASMR? Let's do some ASMR. It's going to be weird ASMR, but let's do ASMR. ASMR? What? ASMR. Thank God I took enough pictures of this. I posted it on my Snap and I took a picture. One picture with the bag, one picture without the bag, and one picture with the bag. I thought, why not post it on my YouTube channel? Because it's just good to experience. Okay. It might not be real, but who cares? As long as I got one, I'm perfectly fine. This cost £25. £25.50p. Why a lot of money? But yeah, you've got the little rip there. If you can see it, hold on. Can you see it now? Like it's. I don't know if you can see it. I want you to see it. There's like a outline on it. But anyways, let's get straight into it. That's on the top. Oh my God, I'm excited. Okay, 3, 2. You have to see first. I'm excited. What if I don't get none? What if I don't get nothing? What if it scanned me? Oh, how do you open this? Guys, how do you open it? Bloody hell, that's hard. Oh, sorry for my language. I opened it. How do you open it? I don't want to look inside. Okay, thank God, there's a cover. Gee. What have I done? Oh. No. I want to see it. I've never opened a labubu before. I opened it. Guys, I'm scared. Hey, you look first. I'm looking up, I can't see absolutely nothing. 3, 2, 1. What did I get? I'm scared. I need to get them out. take out the teeth. It's real! It's real! I love this pot mark. Oh no, what's this? I don't... Do not eat. I'm not going to eat. Put his clothes for a second. I'm so happy. I need to get clothes for him. I need to get clothes for it. What shall I name it? I don't know why I'm going. Look at this cute little scarf. Over and over again. We've got happy facts here. I'm just happy. I'm just happy, and I know it. I'm happy and I know it, but I don't know. His little ears though. He's like, everything is just cute. No. He's like, he's got 9 teeth, which I know is real. That's how you know. Is anyone going to cut off this label? I'm probably going to cut this one. Not this one though. This one I'm going to cut. Because that one's just annoying. That one's annoying. He's going to be drinking some Coke, and that is so cute. My auntie said she does not know what these are. It was my brother. Yeah, it was my aunt. It was my brother and my auntie saying, "Oh, is there actual Coke in there?" And I said, "Wait to find out." Yeah, they think it's Coke in here, but oh my god, yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'm definitely gonna collect these now. These are so cute. Recommend. Oh, what does it smell? What does it smell? What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, anyways, I need to stop going on like this. I'm just too... Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you come back next time. Good. Bye. Blow it up.